There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
That's it. All right, this thing's in the way. This has to go in the drawer. Let me put some stuff away first, okay? You're stealing all my screwdrivers?
No.
Okay, good. Let me just put some tools away, okay? Alrighty, we're just putting tools away. Those go in the other drawer. Other drawer. Oh, this giant Allen key. It's cool. You want to move your bench out of here. Oh, hold on. Put it back on here. Put it back on here. I'll show you something. Look. See this? If you don't put it all the way down, it'll open. Move the chair. I'll put it right here. Right here. There we go. Let me just put these away real quick. And we will commence. Messing around here. Shit. As I drop everything on the floor. There we go. That's in there. That's in there. Where are you going over there? Nothing.